Today we're going to be going over how to make bear latte art. What you'll need for this project is an espresso maker and a milk frother. I'm using the mini DeLonghi espresso maker, which comes with a built-in milk frother. But if you don't have any kind of way at home to make espresso or froth milk, you could buy such items sold separately or together on Amazon. Next, you're also going to need 2 to 3 ounces of frothed milk, 2 to 3 ounces of hot, fresh brewed espresso, and for this project I'm using Cafe Bustelo. Next, you're also going to need a spoon, a cappuccino cup that holds 5 to 6 ounces of liquid, and especially one that has a round semicircle bottom. Next, you're also going to need toothpicks to do the finer details of the bear's face. And last but not least, this is optional, but you could also use red or pink food coloring in this project. So next, we're going to go into how you use these ingredients and tools to make bear latte art. Let's go. So I actually transferred the espresso to a wider cup because I thought it'd be easier for you guys to see, but it's still a round cup with a semicircle bottom. And I added a little bit of milk to the espresso, but leaving out the foamed part by keeping it, you can keep it back with the spoon and slowly pour, just to add some milk to the cappuccino. So I'm going to add a little bit more all the way till it gets closer to the top, but to leave some space for the foamed milk. So now you'll see it's mostly just foamed milk left in the cup. So what we're going to try to do is focus the foamed milk into 3 circles. So focusing it on the center for the biggest circle, you want to focus it in the center and be careful that it doesn't spread to the ends, because you're going to need this brown part of the coffee to do the finer details of the bear's face. Now we're going to use the rest of the foam milk to do another circle right here and another circle over here to do the bear's ears. So if I could bring this closer to the camera, you'll see it's like a Mickey Mouse sort of face. I'll angle it towards you with the ears and the face. So now we need those details, the ears, the nose, the mouth. So you're going to use a toothpick, and your ink, so to speak, will be the darker part of the coffee. So you can use your imagination. You take some of this on the sides and you make 2 dotted eyes. And if the toothpick doesn't work that well for you, I'm actually gonna move over to using the spoon. On the tip of the spoon is an easier way to do this too. So you take some of the parts where the dark coffee mixed in and made it a little foamy, and you're going to make 2 eyes, a dotted nose, and also you're going to add some of this darker part of the coffee to the ears to kind of give the ears more detail. And last but not least, you could also dip into this dark foam and make little details. You could do a little tongue, you could do a little face, whatever way you think makes it look more like a bear. And if we could just get in there, and you'll see I'm just making the nose. I'm getting in and making a smiley face. And last but not least, we talked about using pink or red food coloring to do the blushing part of the bear. So it's just a way of making the bear look like he has some color to his cheeks. So I'm just getting into the food coloring, dipping it in a little bit, and just adding it right under the eyes to put a cute little color to his face. So at the end, I'll be showing you a picture of what your final product should look like. And that's that. That's how you do bear latte art.